Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video with Amy Makes That. Today's tutorial is on how to create a digital mockup for your products in two different ways. So as you can see here, this is an example of a digital mockup. This was a product of mine when I had an Etsy shop, but a digital mockup is basically when you create a digital version of what your product is going to look like. As small business owners, we value our time, so having a mockup not only lets you save time, but it makes your products look more professional with a concise, clean product display page. I want to show you some examples on Etsy to give you a better idea of what I'm talking about. I'm going to search the word t-shirt women, and all of these are, you guessed it, digital mockups. So they're not the physical picture of the real product, but they're realistic enough so your customer has an idea of how the t-shirt will actually look like when it's shipped to them with that design. And now you're saving time by not having to make the product, take the picture, edit it, and then repeat the exact process for the other 20 t-shirt designs you might have in stock. I'm going to hide the screen and show you an old screenshot I had of my Etsy shop when it was opened. As you can see, the first two photos are the digital mockup, so the second picture is without a filter but has a different design, and then I have a picture of the actual product. So as a beginner shop owner, I highly recommend taking pictures of your product for at least a few of your product listings, and I say that because you want your customer to see the quality of your work. You also want to create a solid relationship with your customers, and if you're just starting out and have about maybe 1 to 5 reviews, it's gonna make it a little difficult to sell your product. This is my advice, of course, based off of what I've seen personally. I added this 5-month comparison page because I knew there was a concern for customers in the longevity of doormats in different weathers. I didn't see any other shops doing this when I sold doormats, so if you're a doormat seller, I'm literally giving you a free tip to do this for your shop. But just keep in mind all of those things when adding your product photos. So let's get into the two ways that you can create digital mockups. The first way is through buying a commercial use template. CreativeMarket.com is a great resource. I use it to buy fonts, graphics, and also product mockups. So if you go to templates, you'll see there's a mockup subcategory. Here you can choose which mockup, but I clicked on product. What's great about Creative Market is their variety. They have so many blank templates to choose from, so this is great for all kinds of niches. And this video isn't sponsored, by the way. I genuinely love and use Creative Market a lot. But I'm going to type in the search bar t-shirt mockup boho, and look at all of these beautiful templates. What I like about this method is, although you are paying for the photo, these photos are real people in a real environment. It's not a flat lay picture, which you saw on Etsy before. You can choose which brand t-shirt as well, so if you sell Bella Canvas t-shirts, they are so soft, by the way, Gildan, Anvil, whatever brand, they have those options for you. This specific one also comes with all the color varieties as well with each brand. The only thing to note here is that these have to be edited in Adobe Photoshop, as you can see in the description. I believe they have a free trial period, and you can also write this off as a tax write-off if you are a business. But again, it is for commercial use, which is a very important thing as a business owner, and it also saves time if you don't want to do a photo shoot yourself, so this is why I recommend Creative Market as a template resource. Another way to buy commercial use templates is on Etsy. I just searched t-shirt mockup and a bunch pop up on here. But please make sure that they are for commercial use and you're able to use them for your business. The last thing you want is to get in trouble, so please make sure you read the item descriptions and policies from each store that you're buying from so you're complying legally. I love this bundle because it's a purchase for current and future mockups. I also found this other one which was fairly inexpensive and commercial use allowed. As you can see, I scrolled down to the item description and it showed that it can be used for personal and commercial use, which is great. All of these templates and links will be in the video description, so they are easily accessible for you, and they are a commissionable link, which is great for me and great for you. So now on to the second method of creating a digital mockup, which is taking a photo of the blank product yourself and then digitally adding the design. So instead of buying the blank template, you personally take the photo with your phone or camera and switch up the styles in the design. I'll show you all of mine. I luckily still have them saved. I'll click the upload button and then click browse. I had a huge Etsy folder, and here you'll see my doormat mockups folder. These are all of the blank photos I personally took with my camera. I set aside one day and did an entire photo shoot with different clothing, shoes, etc. for different seasons. I luckily found an empty lot and placed the doormat on it to take the photos. So here you can see I have some sandals in this photo, and then I changed my outfits. I did a different pair of sandals. I added some plants like this eucalyptus, a little leaf on the right side just to add some variety, but also keep some consistency when it comes to new designs. So this is a great method to personalize your photo listings because they're your photos that you took. So I'll click on the photo I want to upload, and since it was on my camera, it's a pretty big file, so it may take longer to upload. Always click complex as the image type, so it's the highest quality, and then click continue, apply and continue, and then upload as a print then cut image. You're not actually going to print this out with the Cricut. This is just how I was able to add the designs into Cricut Design Space because Cricut Design Space has all of my fonts. But you can also edit this in Canva if you want to, or if you have another graphic design software. Cricut Design Space was just the easiest for me at the time. So it'll upload pretty big in Design Space. I'm gonna go ahead and minimize the photo. Next, we'll click the text button and type in the design. I just chose a random word. I chose the word welcome, and I changed the font to my favorite font, which is Eucalyptus Spearmint from Creative Fabrica. That will also be linked in the video description if you're curious and want to download it. And Cricut Design Space automatically uploads your text as a light gray color, so I just changed the color to black because I painted my designs in a black paint. But if you paint your designs in like a red design, etc., you can change the color. Then I will align the text to make sure it's in the middle of the doormat. Then I'll take a screenshot of the photo. I have a MacBook, so I pressed Shift+Command+4, and then I dragged the mouse over that exact area of the photo. If you are a Windows user, I'm not sure how to do a screenshot, but you could probably easily Google it. And now I will click on the photo, and you can see you have a beautiful digital mockup ready to be uploaded to your website. So to recap, in order to create a digital mockup, you must get the blank product, take the photo of that product, or download the commercial use template, upload that photo or the template to your device, then to Cricut Design Space, and then you can add your text design and take the photo of it. I hope you all enjoyed today's tutorial. Please let me know what you thought of it in the comment section and if this was useful for you. If you'd like to see more Cricut business tip videos, please also let me know in the comment section. I hope everyone has such an amazing day today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!